Hey, what's going on? Today we're going to be talking about multiplying and dividing fractions together. Now, if you've been having trouble with this skill, then something seriously is wrong, because this is just about the easiest thing we're going to have to do with fractions. You want to multiply two fractions together? Just times the tops by the tops and the bottoms by the bottoms. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Now, as for division, division by definition is multiplication times a reciprocal. So the definition of division tells us exactly what we're supposed to do here. Multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal or the flipped over version of the second fraction. Sometimes people end up learning this as keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction the same, change your division to multiplication, and then flip over the second fraction. Alright, so how about I stop running my mouth here and we just go ahead and take a look at a couple examples. First things first, we got 2/5 times 3/7. For multiplication, we're going to times the tops here, 2 times 3, and the bottoms times each other, 5 times 7. This means our answer is just going to be 2 times 3 over 5 times 7, or 6 over 35. See what I mean? Real simple. Let's take a look at a more complicated one. Next example, we got 3 and a 6 times 3/4. Now, we're going to have a little bit of a problem with the mixed number. We can't have mixed numbers. We got to turn them into improper fractions. So we take our 3, times it by 6, and add that to the 1 right here. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Keep the denominator the same, and then we times it by our 3/4. From here, it's just a normal multiplication problem. 19 times 3 gives us 57. 6 times 4 gives us 24. Be on the lookout to see if you could simplify. 57 and 24 can both be divided by 3. So I'm going to simplify by dividing both of these things by 3. This gives me an updated answer of 19 over, oops, that's supposed to be an 8, folks. Sound the alarms, we got ourselves a typo. It's supposed to be 19/8. If that was the right answer, we could turn it into a mixed number. It's the same as 1 and 4/15. Alright, once again, we had a little bit of a mistake here. Our final answer was supposed to be 19 over 8. Regardless of the mistakes here, we are supposed to take our mixed numbers and turn them into improper fractions before we can actually do our multiplication. If you need help turning mixed numbers into improper fractions or vice versa, there is an Auducation video on that called Converting Mixed Numbers. So take a look at that. Let's go ahead and move on here. Gosh, I'm killing myself with this mistake here, jeez. Okay, so now we're going to be dividing our fractions. Remember, to divide two fractions, you got to keep that first fraction the same, so stay as 7/8, change your division to multiplication, and then flip over your second fraction. So we're going to turn that into 15 over 13. Our updated problem then is going to be 7/8 times 15 over 13. Now it's just a normal multiplication problem, tops to tops, bottoms to bottoms. 7 times 15 is 105, 8 times 13 is going to give us 104. You could take my word for it, we can't simplify this thing, but we can turn it into a mixed number. 104 goes into 105 once with a remainder of 1, so our mixed number answer is 1 and 1 over 104. Geez, that's a lot of ones, folks. Alright, one last example here. So we have 1 is 7/10 divided by 3/4. We'll start by taking our mixed number, turning it into an improper fraction. 1 times 10 is 10, plus 7 is 17. So 17/10, like so, divided by 3/4. Now we're going to do our keep, change, flip. Keep your first fraction the same, 17/10. Change your division to multiplication and flip over the second fraction 4/3. Times across the top, 17 times 4 gives us 68. 10 times 3 is 30. Both of these numbers are even. We know we can divide them by 2, so 68 divided by 2. And 30 divided by 2 is going to give us a simplified fraction. 68 over 2 is equal to 34, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. That's as simple as it gets. If we want, we can turn this into a mixed number. 15 goes into 34 2 times with a remainder of 4, so 2 and 4/15. And that is another good answer. Okay, so that's it. Once again, you want to multiply two fractions, times across the top, times across the bottom. If you want to divide two fractions, you got to do keep, change, flip. Keep your first fraction the same, change your division to multiplication, flip over the second fraction, and then it's a normal multiplication problem. If you got yourself a mixed number in the beginning of the problem, then you absolutely have to turn it into an improper fraction before you can do anything else. But your final answer can be either an improper fraction or a mixed number. It depends on what you want to do, or more importantly, what your teacher wants you to do. Man, you guys remember when I made that mistake on the second example? I gotta get out of here before I blow it again. later